Hello, my name is Tom Brinsnoff, Certified Master Mechanic out of Reading, Pennsylvania. And here we're going to talk about how to react if your brake light comes on. On a lot of newer vehicles equipped with anti-lock brakes, you got two different brake lights that comes on. If you have a normal brake light, just a little light that says brake, then you have another light for the anti-lock brakes that says ABS. Now, your first one, either way, is not going to, don't panic. It's usually not a big deal. If you're driving down the road, the light turns on. Test your brakes, make sure you're stopping okay. The easiest thing to check when you come up front, pop your hood, is there's a little sensor right here on the side of this thing. Make sure your master cylinder here is full of brake fluid. You want to use .3 or .4 brake fluid. You find it at your local parts store. Check your owner's manual, will tell you vehicle specific what fluid goes in here. But make sure it's full. Most of these master cylinders, they have markings on the side. You have minimum, maximum. Make sure it's somewhere within that range. If it's in there, the light's still on. Most of the time, it's this little sensor here on the side. Not a big deal to change. Costs probably $20, $30 at a local parts store. But either way, nothing to worry about as long as you're testing your brakes and they're nice and solid. If you have an ABS light that comes on, I would suggest taking it to your local garage and having them diagnose you. You do need, unfortunately, capabilities as a computer scanner, which costs, unfortunately, $2,500 enough to be able to get in there and diagnose it correctly. But if it's, like I said, your ABS light comes on, leave it to a garage, leave it to a professional to diagnose that one. If you can look at it, and you face the sensor, fill it with fluid, and if your brake light still doesn't come off, I do recommend taking it to a garage. You've got other problems there that you're probably not going to want to tackle.